Dad has trash cans in your usual spot because it's trash day, geese. So we're gonna have to go over here. I need you to christen a spot you've never christened. Okay, go poopies. Son? I'm gonna move the damn trash. Okay, good. Are you ready? You locked and loaded? I was about to move the trash can for you because I know you're picky. Are we moving it? We're moving the trash can, aren't we? Come on, Diva. Watch this. I move the can. Look at this, Diva. What did I tell you? He didn't even wait a second. I literally had to move the can for this guy. Can you believe this guy? What a diva.